In this today's video breaks down the most effective and legitimate methods to get the highest possible rewards from Beam Wallet. If you're tired of earning small, slow points and want a practical strategy that actually works, this guide gives you everything needed to squeeze every dollar of value from the system. Start by focusing all regular spending on merchants partnered with Beam. Rewards from these partners stack faster, and Beam regularly boosts point multipliers on specific categories such as groceries, transportation, restaurants, and digital services. Keep an eye on rotating promotions inside the app and shift everyday transactions toward whichever category offers the highest return at the moment. Turn on automatic cashback tracking so Beam records every eligible purchase without manual uploads. This prevents missed earnings and keeps your reward accumulation running in the background at all times. Link all active cards to Beam, not just one. The system combines rewards no matter which linked card is used, allowing you to layer existing card cashback with Beam's additional bonuses. Check for limited-time booster events. Beam pushes seasonal reward surges, often doubling or tripling points for a short window. When these appear, move routine payments, data subscriptions, fuel, groceries, utilities into that time frame to accelerate rewards without increasing your spending. Redeem strategically. Avoid small cash outs. Let points accumulate until they reach higher tiers, because larger redemptions provide better value per dollar. Stick to stable reward options like direct cashback or major store vouchers instead of low-value items. Finally, stay consistent. Beam's algorithm favors steady usage, and frequent activity increases eligibility for personalized offers. The more the system can track your spending rhythm, the better the reward campaigns you'll receive over time. Use these methods together and you'll maximize Beam Wallet rewards fully within the rules, with no risk to your account.